What's going on, guys? This video is for busy 9 to 5 workers and entrepreneurs who want to make $10,000 a month in passive income from selling on Amazon FBA. So here's the free training that you guys asked for in the Amazonpreneurs Facebook group. You guys said you wanted the video. So here it is, how to find high profit, low competition products in under 10 minutes, guys. So I want to say I'm truly grateful for your interest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So in this video, I'm about to unveil my hidden strategy that has helped me to find winning products on Amazon. And me and my clients have been able to use this framework to make over $100,000 a year on Amazon. Okay, so not being able to sell the right product is the number one biggest reason why 90% of people struggle to sell successfully on Amazon. And I understand you want to see proof. You're sitting there like, hey, Leon, where's the proof? So here you go. Okay, here's case study one. Meet Jose. Jose reached out to me to scale his Amazon FBA store, guys. Within no time, he hit an impressive $35,000 in a single month, all thanks to the instructions that he followed within my one-on-one mentorship program. Okay, so I want to play this quick testimonial. Here's his store here doing $35,000, right under 35,000 in 1 month. He ended up hitting, I think, $40,000 like a week later after doing the screenshot. So
I just want to give a huge thank you and a big shout out to Leon for helping me with my FBA journey. We've been working together since February of 2022. Ever since then, he's helped me scale and grow my Amazon business. He has helped me with questions, shipments, finding inventory, connecting with suppliers, and the list goes on. I would 100% recommend working with Leon. He's always there to push you to your next level.
shout out to Jose for the recommendation. You know, I help you guys with everything step by step in my one-on-one. Okay, so here case study two, Cody Mitchell. Okay, Cody was doing retail arbitrage on Amazon with the wrong products, and retail arbitrage actually violates Amazon's policies. They don't talk about that on YouTube. I don't know why, but he was struggling to cross even $15,000 a month. 1 5 $15,000 a month. But I helped him choose the right business model and find the winning products, and he was able to hit $100,000 in just 30 days. Okay, here's video. I want to show you guys testimonial.
What's going on, guys? My name is Cody Mitchell. Just making this quick testimonial on my boy Leon. Leon is legit. I'm gonna just go ahead and get that out of the way. He's not your typical guru. I met up with Leon a few months ago. I met up with him on Facebook, and you know what I'm saying, through conversation, I actually decided, maybe I should try his mentorship, because at this point, I was already at like the brink of just quitting Amazon, because one, I wasn't getting products fast enough. Two, I couldn't find the suppliers. I was just getting no's left and right. Like nobody was doing business with me. And the suppliers that I already had were backed up, like from last year type stuff because of COVID. So after talking to him and doing his mentorship, and actually putting some effort into what he was teaching me, I actually doubled my business from what I was already making. I ain't gonna put no numbers out there, but anyways, I just wanted to put that out there that Leon, thank you for your help. I appreciate everything you've done for me, man. Peace.
So that's just, and then here's this store, right? Screenshot. So, these are just a couple of success stories, guys. I have a bunch of these. I have a lot of case studies. I have a lot of testimonials of people saying I'm a good communicator and I help you with one-on-one, step-by-step everything. Okay, you see other coaches, they don't do one-on-one coaching, or if they do one-on-one coaching, they charge a ridiculous amount, like $10,000 or something like that. I don't do group coaching, guys. I only work with people one-on-one. Okay, so over the past 2.5 years, I've guided over 216 individuals just like you watching this video to break free from that 9 to 5 grind, the rat race. You guys know what I'm talking about, and generate passive income by taking advantage of the most lucrative opportunity that is available today. You're watching this right now. You order stuff on Amazon every day. I do it. It's just the era we're in now. Everyone's ordering everything on Amazon because, let's be honest, it's addicting, it's easy to use, and it's awesome, and it works great. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the steps to find winning products on Amazon. Okay, so first step is going to be find quality suppliers in the USA. Okay, step two is going to be make wholesale accounts with them. Okay, and get access to their inventory. And then step three is using tools to find a winning product. So we're not working with Chinese suppliers, guys. We're only working with US suppliers. We're going to make wholesale accounts wholesale accounts with them to buy their products in bulk and then buy it at wholesale price and sell it for retail price on Amazon. Okay. And then we do FBA fulfilled by Amazon. So Amazon employees have your inventory in the warehouse. They fulfill all the orders for you and all of that. Okay. Just like you need tools to fix a car or diagnose a problem or find things, we use tools to find winning products on Amazon. Okay. So here's 3 green flags to look for a winning product on Amazon. Okay. One is going to be high demand, has to have high demand, guys. You can't be selling a product that's just going to sit on the shelves, collecting dust, piling up storage fees. It's got to be flying off those shelves at that Amazon warehouse. Okay. Also, low competition. Number 2, low competition. Cannot have, a bunch of saturation and there's a million people on the product, right? Okay. And then consistent profit. You have to make sure you buy at the right price. You know the history of the selling price. You know how much this product is selling for, and you have to calculate how you can be profitable with your buy price. Okay. Here's 3 red flags to avoid with winning products. Okay. Having low demand, like I said earlier, just sitting on the shelves. I kind of said these already, but number 2, having high competition, a lot of people on the buy box, million people trying to sell the same product. And then you buy too high, right? You don't get a good price. You're not able to profit on it. It's inconsistent. Okay. So I hope you find this video valuable. If you're looking to get the exact roadmap to making 10K a month on Amazon with Amazon FBA, you can schedule a 60-minute strategy call with me and my kitty cat. Okay. So in this strategy call, I'm going to reveal why private labeling and retail arbitrage is dead in 2023. Okay. And the only profitable business model to make $10,000 a month in passive income from Amazon is, FBA wholesale. And here's a quick hint. Most YouTube gurus and gurus in general are hiding this from you. Okay. Number 2, I'm going to go over how to find high quality suppliers in the USA and source products at dirt cheap prices to get maximum profit. Okay. Can't see the screen because my cat's in the way. Okay. In the USA and source products at dirt cheap prices to get maximum profit margin. Forget Alibaba guys or dealing with foreign suppliers. Okay. Number 3 is going to be the number 1 reason why 97% of people fail within 2 months of selling on Amazon. Okay, you might be making this costly mistake. I want to see if you're making it so I can, tell you, hey, don't make this mistake. Do this instead. So this is just a taste of what you get inside the 60-minute strategy call with me, usually valued at $500. So all you need to do is click on the link below and schedule a 60-minute no obligation call with me, guys. And I highly recommend you to do it because even if you have tried and failed before, I can assure you I'm going to be able to find you something that you haven't found anywhere else and is really going to be the turning point for you because I'm going to show you a completely new strategy no one's talking about online. I guarantee this is not like anything you've seen or heard before. So click the link below and we'll talk soon.